I didn't say
Set,
anything.
okay. Nurses are more than just somebody that takes care of, that helps record orders from a doctor. They're there to hold your hand and comfort you during hard times. They're able to give you a shot. They're there for you when you have lost a loved one due to any unfortunate circumstances. Today I'm going to inform you about the importance of why we should all have nurses and the important role they have. Nurses play an important role in the medical field, but also in the lives of who they touch. Today I will be discussing what a nurse is, the role they play in the medical field, and the impact they have on their patients' lives day to day. First, I'm going to begin on what is a nurse. A nurse is a person who takes care of the sick or infirm, especially in a hospital. Nurses are typically in hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, and even sometimes homes. Now that you know where a nurse works, you're probably wondering, how do I become a nurse? First, you will attend a 4-year university, and part of the 4 years, you will have 2 years of nursing school. The first 2 years are basics, and then your 2 years of nursing school. In nursing school, you will go through classes like pharmacology, patho, and you'll still be taking nursing classes while also attending the hospital. In the hospital, you will learn tasks that a day-to-day nurse does, like give a shot, draw blood, how to properly care for a patient, and on all that, you will learn that in your 4 years. And so now that I have explained that, I'm going to move on to my second point on how important it is for nurses to the important role they have. The first important role that they play is that they're great communicators. Nurses have to be great communicators because they need to talk to their patients or their coworkers, and they need how to properly talk to their patients on like whether somebody has died, and they want to be able to tell them that in such a gentle, kind way as it can be. Another role that the nurses play in the medical field is they administer medication to the patient for whatever circumstance that they need. They're also educators. You might be wondering how they're educators. Well, in the hospital, upper higher nurses are going to have to train the new nurses that just come into the medical field. They're going to have to show them the tricks and the ropes on what to do, what not to do, how to properly care for a patient, show them things that maybe all nursing school did not do for them. Another one that is important for them is they are great team leaders. They're great team leaders because they're able to help and take charge of whatever their room is, whatever they need to do. Lastly, nurses form great connections. You've all been in a hospital or gone to a clinic and you've seen the nurses. They try to get to know you, ask how your day is, make sure that you're comforted during a time that you may not like hospitals or clinics, so they try to give you peace going into it. A nurse is somebody that's there for the patient to comfort them through anything that the patient might go through, like getting an IV or getting a shot. Nurses are there to help everyone. Nurses are also there to help be there for the patient before the family arrives, to make sure that they're okay, make sure they're taken care of. They're also there for when the patient has no family and they're just alone. Our nurse's job is super important in the medical field. It is important to every individual's life that they touch. So today we talked about what a nurse is, the significant role that they played in the medical field, and what they do emotionally for their patients. They make the world go around. Nurses are super great people that help and are such strong people that help in the medical field. Without them in this world, there would be a big gap. Thank you.